Hello, I'm Russell, Computer Sales Manager here at Nebraska Furniture Mart. Today we're going to go over the unboxing of the Asus T300 Chi. We are fortunate enough to get our hands on this before anybody else, and we will be offering this on sale on our website as well as in our store before any of our competitors here in the US. So let's start at the outside of the box. In the corner we have the Asus warranty sticker, the Asus 360. This will go over what they cover the first year for the manufacturer's defect, their free two-way shipping, and then the first year of accidental damage coverage. Now just remember, this has to be registered with the manufacturer to take advantage of any of these. Also on the front we have a sticker that goes over the specifications of the model inside, as well as the serial number and UPC, and that's doubled up on the end here as well. What's great about the Chi is when you do open it up, it comes in a fantastic presentation box. Very nice and clean. Let me get rid of the cardboard. And of course, lets you know that you bought the Transformer Chi. When you open it up, you see right at the Asus logo on the top of your machine, and you've got a little plastic tab here to lift up the entire two-in-one. And then you've got your little tab at the front here. When you lift this up, it gets you to all your accessories. The first accessory is, of course, your charging cable for your main piece. You also have a USB, micro USB to full-size dongle. It's a 2.0 dongle. And then you have your micro USB cable that will show you what that's used for later. It also comes with your cable management tie, a little Velcro piece to make sure all your cables are nice and clean. You also get a cleaning cloth. It is a touchscreen interface, so you will smudge up the screen. They always recommend using a dry cleaning cloth and not any solutions with it. And then of course all of your paperwork that comes with your computers. So you've got your warranty card, goes over the explanation of the standard warranty as well as the accidental damage coverage. And don't forget, you must register this for any of those to be in place. The great thing that Asus does for you already is it puts yet another sticker on the inside. So you don't have to peel anything off or write anything down for the serial number. It's already in your book. You also have your warning about your batteries in 15 different languages, your mobile dock user guide, as well as the tablet guide. The reason why they give you two is because they are two standalone pieces, and we'll explain that more later. All right, we'll put some of this back and we'll get to unwrapping the computer. We've got, don't forget the secret door. That's where all your accessories are at in the box. And Asus, like every other computer manufacturer, will keep theirs in a protective plastic for shipping. So when you peel this off, it's all adhesive and set that to the side. So when you look at the ports on the Asus, we start on this side and we've got your power connection for charging as well as your Windows key and volume. We also have your USB port for charging the base. On this side, we've got our headphone connection, our micro HDMI, and then our USB 3.0. So when we start off, it will open like a laptop would. And of course we have our protective piece for the keyboard here. Go over the badging. We've got the Intel Core M processor, which is the new low voltage processor from Intel. They're putting this in a lot of the new thin tablet devices. It has a lower power draw than the i series, yet still dual core with 4 threads. When we look at the Asus, it is a magnet to keep the two together, unlike the previous versions of the Transformer, which used a button with a mechanical hook to keep the two. The advantage here, you'll have less of a chance of a mechanical failure, and it keeps it together nice and tight. There are 2 rare earth magnets that do this. Your initial setup out of the box might come with a empty battery. So to charge it, we've got our charging cable, and we pointed out before. So on your side here, it'll plug in, and then you're going to come with your micro USB cable here. As what happens is this will charge the tablet portion of it, and then your USB charger will charge in your keyboard side. So, and of course, being a USB, you've got 2 ways you can do it and 4 chances to get it right. There we go. So you'll have your charging cable connecting the 2 devices. When you open up your device, you've got your power right up top. And again, it will be a typical Windows 8 setup. We've finished the Windows 8 setup, as you can see, start screen as usual. The Asus Transformer series will always separate for their 2-in-1s. And what I've noticed is your power button is in that top corner. So it makes sense to grab and pull, but you will turn off your display every time. So just be careful when you're taking it apart. You've got your rare earth magnets to keep it together. And unlike the rest of the Transformer lineup, this keyboard does work when separated. It is a Bluetooth keyboard that is pre-paired, so it's all ready to go out of the box. So when you separate or when you put it back together, you've got your 2 notches. They come back together and it slips right in place. So the Asus T300 Qi is immediately available on nfm.com as well as any of our locations. Come on in, talk to any of our salespeople or visit our website and we can ship it to you there. Thank you for watching.